Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Bronoir Barefoot shoes, minimalist walking running shoes. Now, you might be wondering, what is this Bronoir Barefoot shoes I may be hearing online? So, the Bronoir Skin Pro is a barefoot style minimalist shoe with an ultra thin, around 4mm, zero drop sole, and designed to let the foot feel closer to the ground compared to conventional footwear. Now, the distinguishing feature is the built-in copper sole component marketed under the concept of grounding or earthing. Now, the premise that skin contact with the copper here, or the copper, which is conductive, connects the wearer to the earth. Natural electrical charge said to be associated with effects like lower inflammation, reduce stress, and improve sleep. Now, the shoes have a wide toe box for natural toe spread, and elastic breathable upper, and no rigid arch support. Now, instead relying on the sole design for natural foot function over time. Now, how to exactly use this? Now, according to them, the shoes can be worn with or without socks. For the grounding features specifically, the brand recommends going barefoot inside them or wearing thin, natural fiber socks. Now, since synthetic socks may interfere with the copper skin contact. Now, they're marketing for general everyday use across activities like walking, work, the gym, hiking, or the beach, and the brand states they're machine washable. Insoles can be swapped out if preferred, though the brand notes that original insoles are designed specifically to work with the grounding system. Now, on the pricing side here, the Skin Pro model has been listed across the brand's various domains here, so with prices commonly ranging between the $54.90 to and around $84.90, depending on ongoing promotions. Well, in this case, regularly discounted from the initial $119 to $129.90 reference point here. Now, often bundled with buy one get one offers, so standard delivery is typically listed at 5 to 12 business days domestically, longer for international orders. Return windows vary by specific promotion page here. Some listings around like 30-day money back guarantee, and others a longer 90-day window. So checking the return policy on the specific page being ordered from is worth doing before so. But currently, if you try visiting one of their website, it currently is listed around $79.90 as of this moment. Now, if you have any questions, you can reach out to their support by going to their support page here, either in the contact page here at the very top or at the very bottom here, if you can see the contact us, as you can see right now. But that's about it. So if you found this video, please like and subscribe button and watch our next video.